I'm the type of guy who introduces his name first to the waiter before ordering in a restaurant. I'm the type of guy who also feels that these jokes are getting kind of boring. The number of times Jaime tells his name is more than a number of news he has. You got a point. Every time I play one of your videos, my wife yells Jaime Rivera from the other room. Thank you. That's right, it's that time of the week. I'm Jaime Rivera, this is Pocketnow, and this is the Pocketnow Daily Recap, your comments for last week. On Monday, the topic was the OnePlus 7. We heard rumors that we were getting a 48 megapixel camera, and I asked you what you thought about this phone so far. We had 401 comments. The OnePlus 7 sounds amazing. Let's hope it has stereo speakers. That's actually pun intended. I wish it sounded amazing. I hope they figure that one out. True. If the price stays good for the OnePlus, then yes. I don't think they're gonna play with the price. I do think that they might play with the 5G variant, just to experiment, and we'll see how that goes. I can't wait for the OnePlus 7. I just wish it had a headphone jack. Oh man, dude, you own those 47 likes on your comments. True. I feel so sad, man. After using the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm actually moving to the smaller Galaxy S7. I'm actually moving to the smaller Galaxy S7.
What?
It's just, there's no excuse, man. Even the S10e has a headphone jack. Why not truly never settle? Then on Tuesday, the topic was Apple's March 25th event, the fact that it's showtime according to them. Obviously, we're going to be in Paris covering something else, so that's going to be interesting. I asked you what you thought about the event. We had 375 comments. Dongles, they will probably release new dongles. Oh man, agreed. Well, if it's a video streaming service, I hope it's better than Netflix. I doubt it, and Netflix already said that they're not going to be part of it, so that's going to be weird. Let's see what Tim Apple has in store. Man, that was so bad. Then on Wednesday, the topic was that new probable Moto RAZR, the fact that apparently the specifications are going to be kind of underwhelming. We had 401 comments. I asked you what you thought. I think this product is a waste of money, and battery capacity shown on screen is 2700 plus milliamp hours. For 1500, get something better. I totally agree with you. I love the concept of bringing back the foldable. Come on, man, 1500, you guys are nuts. Damn, Motorola is really trying to cut into people's pockets with the price and those specs. I don't think that's gonna be the price. I mean, Moto is not at a level where they can play, but we'll see. Moto RAZR was intelligent concept, which is ruined by Moto. Hope other companies take this model concept and produce better phones. Man, there are rumors that Samsung, Apple, various companies are gonna follow that trend, and I would totally love it. So long as phones don't get more thicker, I think that'd be great. Then on Thursday, the topic was Android Q Beta, which went live. I asked you what you thought about everything announced. We had 402 comments. Android Beta update is like half-baked cake. Google has to redesign their gesture navigation because it's not user-friendly at all. Dude, I totally agree with you. I feel that the changes are like so insignificant that I kind of don't care, to the point where we didn't even do a hands-on video because there wasn't really anything to cover. But we'll see. Android updates stopped being hot a long time ago. I don't even know why people are obsessed with updates anymore. It's because they're supposed to bring new features that are cool, but not here. I'm still on gingerbread. Dude, I don't know what's funnier, if the fact that you're probably still using like a Nexus 1 or the fact that your username is Kanye East, man. And then finally on Friday, or pretty much Saturday, because we had a crazy Friday, we couldn't publish until the next day, I asked you about the iPhone 11, the rumors of the 3 cameras, and I asked you what you thought that third camera would do. We had 212 comments. I'd want that third camera to lower the price. Yeah, right, wait for that. I think most people would prefer the ultra wide angle camera, so Apple will probably put the time of flight sensor instead. Yeah. Apple will most likely do what consumers don't want. Agreed. Wide angle would be nice, but it would cost. I hope it will not cost $1,500 just for the entry variant, fingers crossed. I don't think Apple can play that game with everything they've learned. I mean, they've dropped prices on Macs, iPads, iPhones. I don't think that's gonna happen again, but I don't know, man. It's Apple. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you so much for watching. If you want your comments to be featured, keep them short, stick to the point, and try to get some thumbs up. You can also follow us on social media and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you hopefully next week, as I'm going to be traveling.